Hi all, you're back on the Happy Tools channel. Today, we'll show you how you can automatically post on the platform. It's completely automated if you own it. 10-20 or 50 Twitter accounts. Then people post every day. Access to customers. You will have to log in. Go to each account to post. That's a waste of time. Now will be your guide. A tool. I'll help you post automatically. Get on Twitter automatically. I can help you save a lot of time. As you can see, this is the interface of the software. Then the software on my side is to help. You can be the manager. Is unlimited accounts. You have 50 or 100 Twitter accounts. You can give it all to the software with you, and the software on your side helps you manage all those accounts and post. It's up on all those accounts completely automatically. As you can see, I have 7 accounts. Then you want to post automatically. First, create one for yourself. Categories to archive as articles. For example, I would create a post. Then I saved this. When I'm done, I'll be adding posts. Select Add Post. The software on my side is to help you post in full text. Full text, or you can post the content. With that photo, you just need it. Select an image file that you have saved. The software on your side helps you post with photo too. Today will be the first demo. Post in full text. An example of this is a demo for me. I will add smile here. It will help you. It can automatically add random icons in the icon store so that it can be automatically added in posts. After adding the content, click Save to save it. I added a second content. For example, I would type hello my friend. Number of concurrent threads. That's how many Twitter accounts you have. Post at the same time. For example, I have 7 Twitter accounts. I will enter a number of 7. This will depend on the degree, the health of your computer. The more powerful your computer is, the greater the number. More and more accounts are running at the same time. Next, you can adjust the number of accounts. Accounts. How many posts do you want to post? Then everyone enter here. For example, let's say for each account, just post 1 post, and I'll enter here as 1. Then I'll be choosing the category. I've just added articles to it. Then I press save. Then it will be automatically updated to the software, and each account will help you choose a random content to post if you have added more content. After choosing this, the software is there. You can automatically like and comment directly on that post. You can enter comments into the software. You can definitely leave comments. To do SAO, you can be contacted, or you can contact me through the main nick. After choosing, you just have to choose. Go to the accounts you have, and everyone is Indian. First, the software with me help you can be automatic posting on the Twitter platform. Fully automatic machine is. You can see the software with you, how to post it. As you can see, the software on my side is already working. It's done. Then my video is over. Thank you for your interest. Follow. If you think it's good, give me a like, a subscribe, as well as pressing notification bell to receive notifications out video. It's my latest. And now, say hello and see you in the next videos.